Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It is May the 1st, 2019. It's already been 39 weeks since I got started with the Red Wigglers. Let's check them out. Start off with the Worm Factory 360. I have not checked on it since last week. This is the top tray that was the bottom tray. Trying to see if the worms won't migrate down out of the castings. Looks like we still have a few worms in there. Not seeing very many. A couple here and there. I will start trying to mix this up daily or every other day to kind of get them to move down a little easier, because it does look like this is mainly castings now. Castings and eggshells and little plastic strips that went through the shredder. Let's see if we got any. Just a couple hanging down. Second tray or middle tray. Got a few worms on top. This was just our peat moss and shredded cardboard and paper mix that we have only fed in once. And I did put those PVCs in to keep that from smashing down. Let's see, yeah, not a few dangling. And the bottom tray, which is our mainly coffee ground and filters, and a little bit of peat moss. Looks like that's where most of our worms are. And there is two locked up right there. That's 2 videos in a row. Well, yeah, Monday's video. I found 2 Europeans locked up. Well, there's 2 red wigglers. 2 red wigglers. If I could get the dirt off of them, you could see it a little better. But they are locked up. Hashtag locked up. So they're definitely making good work of the coffee grounds and filters still. Quite a few worms. And thought I saw a cocoon. Maybe not. Alright, that's good enough. Look at the Worm Factory. Let's see what this bottom. Just a few castings in the bottom. Nothing major. And this is our holding bin right now. We put our Bakeups in, and they are loving that banana. Look at all them worms. Lots of worms. Just want to kind of aerate this out a little bit since it's in this plastic bin. Make sure they're all lively. Oh yeah. Making good work of all that. Probably do need to add some food in there. Let's check out our Bakeup. This one here. The big one here. Got a couple on the outside. Let's see what's on the inside. Looks like quite a few worms. Quite a few. And our other Bakeup buried here. Quite a few in there. There's a couple dozen in there. Kind of fluff this up. Mainly castings. Trying to bait these worms out. It's a lot of castings. Smells great, nice and earthy. But there's still quite a few worms in here too. Oh yeah, lots of worms. Lots of red wigglers for Red Wiggler Wednesday. Yeah, there's not much cardboard left in here at all. It's mainly almost pure castings. Nice big juicy one. I'll go ahead and throw him in there. And I should have silenced my phone. Oh yeah, there's still several hundred worms in here. Alright, that's good and aerated. Let's take a quick look in our bucket. If you've been watching my other Red Wiggler Wednesday videos, it has been a while since we've looked in the bucket. I did put some food in here not that long ago, but this was our bucket of bedding from our second tray out of the Worm Factory 360. Was in September that I put all this bedding. I tried to pick all the worms out. That's where I got all my cocoons for my Red Wiggler cocoon only bin. And I picked out every worm I could find and every cocoon I could find and just put this bucket in the shed and doused it down with neem oil and diatomaceous earth, trying to get rid of all the mites because they were just crazy. And there is worms in here. And I have just left them alone in this 5-gallon bucket. And they are making babies and turning this into castings. I think I've only shown it on 2 other videos. So I will be going through this and getting the worms out soon, because it does look like it's mainly castings, but it is awfully muddy. There's a little bitty one right there. but they are making babies. So the bags and other systems are nice, but as you can see, a 5-gallon bucket or just a dollar store or Walmart plastic bin works just fine. May not be as easy to get the castings out, but they do work. And I will be trying to do my first harvest on my Vermibag Mammoth tomorrow. We'll see how the harvest goes on it, if I got time tomorrow. That's it. Be interested to know how many worms are actually in here, but there are some tiny ones in there. They had to be, I'd say all these were either babies when I put them in here or were born in there. 39 weeks already with the red wigglers. No telling how many we have now. Thanks for watching. Please leave me a comment. Hit that thumbs up for me. Until next time, have a great day.